Hi there, this is Anup. Today we are going to talk about 4 exciting features that Microsoft announced during Build Conference 2023. So don't skip the video, let's check this out. Windows 11 integration with compression technologies like 7-zip, RAR, TAR, etc. So this is exciting. We don't need to install the WinRAR application manually onto Windows 11 PC. Rather, it will be natively available within Windows 11. Microsoft confirmed that this is going to roll out pretty soon in testing phase. Another interesting option which is coming into Windows 11 is force quit. You can force application to stop, quit from the taskbar itself by just right clicking on the application taskbar icon rather than launching the task manager and stopping the application from there. This is an exciting thing for Windows 11. GitHub Copilot X now integrated into Windows Terminal. So all the power of GitHub Copilot can be accessible from Windows Terminal. If you want some help in PowerShell scripting, etc., you can use GitHub Copilot directly from Windows Terminal, and that is going to enhance your capabilities of PowerShell scripting, etc. App Restore feature, which is exciting for me, my favorite one, because I don't want to install application after restoring the PC again and again. The application should automatically come from Microsoft Store. So this particular feature, App Restore feature, is going to help me with that. Once I restore the device, the application will automatically come back to my taskbar and start menu, etc. Hope this quick video was helpful. Thank you all for watching. See you around.